Time to wake up. What is reality? Isn't it just a matter of perception? How we perceive the world around us is a reflection of how we view ourselves. How we express and translate our own emotions makes us the storytellers. Instigating connection, provoking change through bridging gaps and molding narratives created by generations. Orchestrating dynamic frequencies of energy and motion, transforming the intangible into reality. What is reality?